Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to verify your age on Roblox and unlock chat and other extra features in just a few simple steps. First, open Roblox and tap on Unlock Chat. A message will appear explaining that Roblox will use your camera for a quick age check. Tap. Continue to move forward. Next, make sure you are in a well-lit place and your face is clearly visible. Then tap Continue again to start the verification process. Now, the camera will open. Place your face in the center of the circle on the screen. Follow the instructions and slowly turn your head left and right so the system can scan your face properly. After that, Roblox will estimate your age using AI, and this usually takes only a few seconds. Once the process is finished, you will see a verification success message confirming your age. Tap OK. And that's it. Your chat and other features will now be unlocked. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.